Everybody has that one teacher who says, "Don't worry, this won't be on the test." Whole class instantly relaxes. Notebooks close, pencils drop, everyone's chilling. And you're thinking, finally, something I don't need to remember. Then the test day comes. You flip the paper, and boom. First question. It's that exact thing. You just stare at it like it's written in another language. The whole class looks around in pure panic, everyone's eyes saying the same thing. She lied. One kid's like, "Bro, didn't she literally say?" And the teacher's just standing there smiling like nothing happened. You're sitting there writing random answers, praying for partial credit, realizing this woman is more dangerous than any final boss in a video game. And after the test, she says, "It was on the slides. You should have studied." Yeah, sure. Thanks, Miss Lyerson.